morning. What do you want to say to her in your letter?
Oh, yes, yes. Come back when.
Come back soon?
Yeah.
Okay, come back soon. And you love her?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you have a nice visit with Grandma?
Yeah.
Do you want to put that in the letter too?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, here comes the letter. Here comes the letter to Grandma. Ready? Okay. Dear G-E-A-R Grandma, I really enjoyed my visit with you. I love you, Grandma. Do you want to put it? Let's put an exclamation point. Ready? Okay. And XOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXO. Grandma, I can't wait for you to come back and visit again. Oh, I messed up. Backspace. A-G-A-I-N. Again.
I like when you use the so much.
Oh. Grandma. Oh, don't. Hold on. We're typing our letter here. I love you. Hold on. S-O